Are you deciding between Mint Mobile and Visible? These two budget phone champs both offer great value, but they cater to different needs. Let's dive into plan structures, coverage, speeds, and value to help you pick the best fit for your lifestyle. Mint Mobile offers prepaid plans starting as low as $15 a month for 5 gigs, going up to $30 for unlimited. But you must pay upfront for 3, 6, or 12 months. Their most popular 15 gig plan is about $20 a month when prepaid annually. There's no overage fees if you hit your data cap, speed slow, but you can add 1 gig for $10 or 3 for $20. Now, Visible simplifies things with unlimited data plans starting around $25 a month. Visible Plus offers high-speed access for around $35, and Plus Pro for around $45. No long-term commitment required. Taxes and fees are also included, but there's true month-to-month flexibility. Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile's 5G network, known for being the fastest 5G network in many areas, and estimates show median download speeds around 152 megabits after your 35 gigabyte high-speed allotment. On unlimited plans, speeds are throttled but resume when congestion clears. Visible uses Verizon's reliable network, especially strong in rural or low-signal areas. The Plus plan grants access to ultra-wideband 5G with significantly faster speeds that range from 195 to 634 megabits per second where available. Mint Mobile offers hotspot access that counts towards your data limit, 10 gigabits on unlimited plans, and Visible offers truly unlimited hotspot usage. Speed caps vary, 5 Mbps on base plan, 10 on Plus, and 15 on Plus Pro. Mint requires prepayment, which locks you in. Plan changes midterm may mean paying the plan difference, and early cancellation forfeits the remaining balance. It also offers support via phone, chat, and a user-friendly app. Visible is truly month-to-month, flexible, cancel anytime, no penalty. Support is digital only though. So, choose Mint if you want the lowest possible price, can pay for multiple months up front, and don't mind data limits or throttling, and you prefer T-Mobile. And choose Visible if you want true flexibility, month-to-month billing, you need unlimited data and hotspot, and value Verizon's wider coverage, especially in rural areas.